Hey guys, Cozy here. So today I'll be showing you how to build and deploy your own free website or your own free personal website without any hassle, and get a free custom domain name without any hassle, without any cash. You won't be paying anything, everything will be for free. So for this through, I'm just winging it. I'm not going through any order, I'm just gonna show you. So for this, we're gonna need three websites, which is gonna be our GitHub. You must have a GitHub account. If you have a Google account, it's easier for you to log into GitHub. So GitHub is necessary. InfinityFree.com. So I'm gonna drop the link below for a custom domain name, a free custom domain name. This is where we're gonna make it. Then here I've got Grok just so we can make our free basic website design. So I'm gonna start with Grok. I'm gonna say make a simple HTML personal portfolio for this YouTube channel. I've already got my info copied below, so I'm gonna just start it out. Portfolio. I'm gonna be making a lot of errors. This is how I correct my errors. I never go deep into it. Make a simple HTML personal portfolio website. It's a website. I've already got my information for my website copied. I copied it from my original website, which I'm gonna show you just now. I'm use this info. So Technocracy Hub. I'm gonna show you my website and Gypsy. So right now we're just waiting for our site to load. Then after we get the code, we're gonna just process it, launch the website instantly. So I'm gonna preview the code. As you can see right now, here's our code fully built and deployed without any errors. So this is good. You have to tune it for your mobile and retune your code. I'd really recommend that you go to your bootstrap made website. So if you go to bootstrap made, there's no space in between, but I'm just adding it for such purposes. Then you're gonna get this link here before. Then you can get like templates. You can just go here and free website templates. Then you can get a whole bunch of templates which you can choose from and customize them yourself using AI. So you can just live demo it. As you can see, they've got like good looking websites here. So I use this as my template basis, so I don't get to struggle that much when I'm looking for a template. Okay, here's our site. We've got it. It's a one pager, so we can just copy and paste on GitHub and it will run. So now we're going to be creating our repository on GitHub. We are done with Grok. We just got our website designed, fully stacked. Now we're going to go on our GitHub, login with your Google account, including Grok. You can log in using your Google account. And we've made it so easy that even a beginner can follow through with this. So now I'm on GitHub. It's going to drop you here at the home page. You're going to click right here on your profile picture. Then you're going to go to your repositories. Then after going here to the repositories, you're going to click on new repository. Then we're going to write Tech Hub. That's what we're going to name our repository. Website for Technocracy Hub. So we just give it any random description. It doesn't matter. The name doesn't matter as long as it's available. It's gonna be functional. It's okay. We're gonna make it public, so anyone on the internet can be able to view our website. If you set it to private, no one can view the site. So we're gonna set it to public. We're not gonna add the readme file for now. It's okay. We're gonna add it later. No, get it. No. You can just ignore these steps here below because they don't really matter as long as you have your name and your description. Then we can create the repository. Now we've created our repository. What are we gonna do from now on? Let's jump into a step whereby we're gonna put our code in. So we're gonna create a new file from here down here. Then it's gonna show you this blank page here. You're gonna go back to your Grok, then you copy the code from Grok. Let me close the side. This is the code that we got. Just click on copy. Then we've copied our code. You can go back to our GitHub. We paste the code here, and then all we have to do now to make sure that this site will work definitely is to name our code up here index.html, so that it's gonna point us to this index.html. Then we're gonna commit our changes, then create index, and it's our commit message. You can just avoid these, it's okay, you can just commit your changes. It's gonna save. Then you have your repository created, which is good enough. Let me show you. You can just go to repository next time you go to GitHub to make it much easier for you. Then you go here to your Technocracy Hub, the site we just created. Here's our file here, our index.html. Then we can go into our settings from here. After going to settings, you're gonna be looking for our pages just down here. Settings up here and pages down here. Click on your pages. After clicking on your pages, you're gonna see this page right here. Then it's gonna say deploy from branch or GitHub Actions. So what I usually do when I get here, I just click here, I click on the main branch, then we're on root, which is very good. Then we save this. Then our site is officially published. Now we have to wait a couple of seconds, like 10 or 20 seconds or so, but it's already live on the internet and anyone can view our site from now on. So now it's time for us to get a free custom domain name. We're going to be moving here, we're moving to our InfinityFree, then we're going to create an account. After clicking on create account, I've already logged into my InfinityFree. Log in with your Google account. That's what I recommend. All these sites up here, you can log in with your Google account. That's all you need. Then you can create. Now we go to $0, go to $0, then click from there. Then this is gonna be our subdomain, our free custom domain, but we have a little bit of minor issue. They don't give you a .com, a .co, .ca or something like that. They just give you these here, so you can pick from the one which you resonate with a lot. I'd prefer, if you're a gamer.gd, voice.com, free.nf. We can just pick from one of these, and greatsite.net. Then I can say Technocracy Hub, greatsite.net. So that's our new custom domain name that we got for free. Then I'm gonna check if it's available. It's checking email consent, website. So it's telling us our additional information. We're just gonna leave it as it is. You can update it later, but I don't really recommend. I do not approve. You can approve to consent to your emails, but I usually don't approve to my email consent for security reasons, of course. Yeah, I can save this. Just save it for security purposes in case you lose your information and you need to log in again. And you can view the password, save it elsewhere, just for security reasons. So right now it's setting up our hosting account. It will take a few minutes. So we are done with our HTML site. If you can like maximize it, it's good. It's good. It doesn't have an about page, I'm sure about that. It doesn't have a services page, I'm sure about that. It doesn't have a portfolio page, I'm sure about that. Yeah, but that's okay. So now let's move on to our pages, our GitHub page. So as you can see here, nothing is showing up. You can just click on settings again, it's going to refresh the whole structure. Then you can go on pages. Then when you get here in pages, you have your link, your site is live at Technocracy Hub. This is the link that we get from GitHub, which is not a custom domain. So we're just gonna go to it, visit the site. This is it. It's live. I can open it on a new page. It's actually live on the internet. So we are there now. We've got our site working and live. Here it is. Our services, everything is there. We are good to go now. So now I wanted to work with that custom domain name I created. So I'm gonna go back into InfinityFree. This is it. So here's our website right here. We've got it. You can open it in a new tab. Then you can see, we can visit the website. So I can show you that our domain is ready from Technocracy Hub, greatsite.net. As you can see up there, we've got it up and going. From here, after creating, we landed up here. So when you land here, don't get confused. Just go down, scroll down until you see your redirects. You automatically get an SSL certificate. Before we didn't get it automatically. We used to create it ourselves, but now we get it automatically. So let's start creating our redirect. So the source URL from our site is gonna be this one. So you can set it to permanent here or temporary. Either way it's gonna work. But let me set it to permanent. Then our target URL is gonna be this one, the one that we got from our GitHub. Let me just copy it here, copy link address. Then I'm gonna paste it. Then I'm gonna create a redirect. Then I have one redirect here created. So it redirects from this custom domain name that I made to this permanent one. That's on GitHub. We can go ahead now. We can close Grok. We can close the old site. We can just view it from InfinityFree. As you notice, we're no longer on GitHub. Now we're on InfinityFree. So I can just click on the link again. Then I can visit the site again. Then it's just going to automatically redirect me to my GitHub page. It automatically changes the URL, meaning your site is secure. And you can also block it. You can research more on how to block it so that no one edits it except you. And you can also host your projects without any hassle, without paying for hosting, without going through all that trouble. And it's actually the best way to host without getting into a lot of trouble for paying and wasting your money. You can just test out your look, your design first, then you can push to production once you get the full outlook of your project. So it really helps using this, and it's very convenient. So thanks, that's it for today. Please watch another video. I'll be making more, teaching you more tricks on how I do my things, on how I operate when I use my computer, because I really enjoy doing these things. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Cheers, guys.